Have you ever received a clear answer about your health, only to wonder if that answer is set in stone forever? It is a common question, especially when we are talking about something as foundational as our genes. The short answer is yes, a negative genetic test result can indeed change later. But it is important to understand that your actual DNA sequence does not change over time. When a negative result changes, it is not because your genes have suddenly rearranged themselves, but rather because of new information or advancements in how we understand and test genetics. The core reason for this lies in the nature of genetic testing itself. Most genetic tests are designed to look for specific, known genetic changes or mutations that have been linked to certain health conditions. If a test comes back negative, it means that the particular variants the test was looking for were not found in your sample. However, our scientific understanding of genetics is constantly evolving. New genes are being discovered, and new specific changes within those genes are identified as being associated with various conditions. What was unknown yesterday might become a significant finding tomorrow. So, how does this translate into practical implications for you and your family? If you have received a negative result in the past, it is wise to consider a few factors. Firstly, the technology used for genetic testing has improved dramatically over time. Older tests might have been less comprehensive or looked at a narrower set of genes than what is possible today. Secondly, if there have been new developments in your family's health history, or if you or your family members develop new symptoms, this new information could prompt a reevaluation of past genetic results. A concept that highlights this dynamic nature is a variant of uncertain significance, often called a VUS sometimes. A genetic test might find a change in your DNA, but scientists do not yet have enough information to know if it is harmless or if it contributes to a health condition. Over time, as more research is done and more people are tested, many VUS findings are reclassified as either benign or pathogenic, meaning disease-causing. This shows how our understanding of genetic variants can clarify over time, directly impacting the interpretation of results. Ultimately, a negative genetic test result provides incredibly valuable information at the moment it is given. However, because medical science and technology are always advancing, it is best to view such a result as a snapshot in time. Staying informed, particularly with guidance from a genetic counselor, can help you understand if and when revisiting your genetic information might be beneficial for your ongoing health and wellness journey.